Hi everyone, and happy Wednesday. Today you have two simple tasks to do. I'm going to ask that you practice some terms and Quizlet over the new unit with astronomy, and then you're going to be looking at the planets in relation to the sun by placing all the planet names and finding images of the planets in there. So in Google Classroom, we've got the Quizlet right here. You're going to click on that link and it'll open up. And it's got a variety of terms here to look at as well as the planets. What I'd like you to do is to start off in the Learn feature, okay? I think a lot of us could use a refresher course in astronomy. It sounded like in yesterday in class that it's been a while since we've learned about space science. So doing the Learn feature, it adds terms slowly, individually as you go. And as you master terms, it removes them. As you struggle with some terms, it keeps them reinforcing them. So I would encourage you to do the Learn feature first. After you do that, in Google Classroom, I've got the Add the Planets in Order. When you open that up here, I have a picture of the sun, and then I've got these numbers, all right, for the 8 planets. So here are the 8 planets. You just need to click and drag. So I can tell you, here's a little hint, Mercury is the first planet. So you can click and drag Mercury over, and there you go, and start from there. And you know, after you do the Quizlet, it should be easy to figure out which planet comes next after Mercury. I also want you to, in addition to adding the names, I want you to add images of the 8 planets. So the easiest way to do that is to click Insert, Image, and search the web. And it pops a little toolbar on the side for you to type in the planet Mercury, and then you can select from there. These are all images that are like approved to be used, like free copyright use. And then you might want to adjust the sizing a little bit just to make it all fit. And then you can even change the order. So I can right click, select order, and send it back so that the name Mercury is in the front. And then I can go to the next planet from there, okay? This is kind of like what I'm wanting you to do, is to add the planets as you go in terms of name and what they look like. I do want you to use the insert image and web feature. It does use Google, but these are, again, are like copyright available. So you're not just like searching things off the internet, okay? I also don't want you to, now that I see this, I don't want you to do this. Some of them already have them picked out for you, all of them. That's not the point of this lesson. The point is to get familiar with like each planet individually and look at it, at all the different features. I really like this Mercury because I think it looks very stellar. So maybe I'll switch it out. But just kind of like some things to look at and consider and be familiar with, you know, is understanding each planet as an individual rather than looking at all of them at one time, okay? If you have questions, make sure you turn this in because this will be points. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and let me know. Bye.